Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a super easy DIY that's inexpensive and cute. I hope you stick around. So let's get started. I want to say that I got a lot of my things from Walmart and the Dollar Tree, so it's a combo here. And this is a cute Valentine's decor. Walmart had these adorable jars, and they only had 4, and there were 3 pinks and 1 red, and I bought all 4, and that was a month ago, and I still can't find any more. Then this jar came from the Dollar Tree. I grabbed them. I grabbed 2 of them knowing that they would be gone, and sure enough, they were. And then I have 2 candlestick holders trying to determine which one I want to use. So I kind of go back and forth, seeing which one I like better. This one would not lay flat. I don't know why. I think the glass on the bottom was bubbled, so I wanted it to be a nice flat surface, and I really liked how this looked. Almost bubblegum machine-ish. I don't know, but it's just super cute. So I keep trying all the different things. While you're on here, I hope you like this video. It helps my channel to grow. Please subscribe if you have not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I download a video. It really helps my channel grow, and I always appreciate people watching. So as you see, I go back and forth, and I think this is the one I finally wanted to go with. The candlestick holder, of course, is from the Dollar Tree. I had not seen this one before. I got it with my shopping haul, and I will post that link in the description box below so you can watch the things I got. I decided to use Rustoleum Aluminum, and I went outside and spray painted that, and then also, nope, this one does not have the top of my jar painted, just the bottom. Whoops. So I was trying to see if I could like speckle it, or, you know, just kind of, rather than it just being shiny aluminum. So I play around a little bit, and you will see me deciding what I want to do. I bought these cupcake tins at the Dollar Tree, and I bought them at Christmas time when I was decorating cookies with my grandchildren, and we ended up not using those. And so I was like, well, I'm not going to bake in them. And then I decided those are perfect for crafting and putting my paint in. So if you see those, grab a couple and use them for your Mod Podge, or you can use them for your paint, whatever you like, but they came in really super handy. So I'm just showing you the colors, trying to figure out which one I want to go with. Couldn't find one that really matched the top, but I think in the end it came out nice, and I really love the way it turned out. So here I decided to mix 2 colors together, and I can't tell you those colors offhand. I will put those in the description box below. I know that the white is Waverly chalk paint, which my Walmart has stopped carrying. So if any of you out there know where to get the Waverly colors, could you let me know? Because I'm really having a tough time finding those, and I really love that chalk paint. So I mix the pink and the white together, and I'm just using a regular paintbrush, and I want to kind of dry brush onto it, but I kind of dab. I didn't have, all my stuff is kind of everywhere. I'm trying to redo a craft room so that I have somewhere to actually do this besides my kitchen table. So as you see, I kind of dab it on there, and I still have a little too much paint on my brush, so then I decide to kind of rub it in. This is a technique that I've watched over years with YouTubers, and you just kind of layer paint. It's kind of like when I do hair, when you layer colors, you get a different effect. And so I just keep layering until I get the color or the look that I'm looking for. One thing I say in the hair industry and in the crafting industry is try a color. It's only color. It can be covered up. It can be changed. It's only a temporary thing. So play a little bit until you get the desired color that you want. I did the pink. It wasn't really what I wanted, so I just kept layering colors, and you will see me do this throughout this video. So I finish up with the pink and decide, you know what, I need more aluminum in there. So then it's only a spray paint, guys. I don't know if this is something you're supposed to do, but I did it. I sprayed a little bit of the paint into the cupcake cup and started dabbing it before it was dry back on to the candlestick. Now, if you have a gray paint or a silver paint you want to use, that's probably the better way to go. But this was just something I tried because I didn't have it on hand and I was making the video and didn't want to get up to go look for it, just being honest. So I went ahead and dabbed that silver on. Then I decided, oh, I'm gonna add a little bit of white and we'll kind of put that in there. So I put some white on my brush and I'm kind of dry brushing, speckling, whatever you want to call it. Maybe there's a name for it, I don't know. This is just what I do. I do this in the hair industry too, don't get scared. I like to change colors and see how I can create. So I just keep playing until I get the desired effect. So at this point, I finish it up, I go off camera, finish it up, and I just kept layering colors, and I kind of finally get the look that I was going for. Not quite the pink I wanted, but that's okay. And then I go outside and I spray it with this Krylon clear glaze to protect the paint on the candlestick because I don't want it to come off. And then I had this beautiful ribbon left over from Christmas time. It was a really beautiful pink that was kind of silvery. And I thought that would look really nice around the top of the candy jar. So I just kind of play a little bit until I get what I want. And then I had this beautiful lace ribbon that I did get at the Dollar Tree. I believe the pink ribbon came from Walmart. And this lace ribbon, I need to pick some more up today. I got at the Dollar Tree, and it's very nice and it's easy to work with, and it's just kind of shabby chic, elegant. So that's what I decide to do, and you'll see me go on there and tie, and I get kind of weird. I like it to look a certain way, and so I just play a little bit, but just keep doing what you want to do until you get the desired look that you're looking for. So I've got the pink on there, and one thing I do like is I really, really love the layered look of ribbons. I don't know why, but I do. I just think they look super, super pretty, and I don't know, you can do 2 or 3, or you can just do the one. I go ahead, I tie it in a knot, and then I just kind of, because there's wire in the ribbon, I just kind of make it the way I want it to look. So I'm kind of funny that way. I want my ribbon to look a certain way, so I will play with it until it gets to the desired look. So now we are applying or adding that second ribbon, which is that lace ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And I'm trying to decide how I want it to go on there. So I put it one direction, realize I don't like it that way. And then I finally end up just tying it around and leaving it there the way it is, so that it just looks really just kind of cute. And I don't know, is this a shabby chic look? Is this, I know it's not really a rustic look, or do you think it's a rustic look? Let me know. So I finally get the look I'm going for. There it is, and it's time to glue it onto the candlestick. Well, first I take my hot glue and I kind of glue my ribbon down just a little bit, just a couple little dots, just to make it stay in place so that it sits on my station at work and is the look that I'm going for, basically. So I always add a little dab of glue on each side, and then I'll probably add a little dab to the lace as well, and then it kind of places my ribbon where I want it to be. It's all about being creative and doing what you want to do and making it the look that you're going for. And I love that because that's really, really a de-stressor. It's like my therapy. When I just kind of want to escape, I start creating, and then I just come up with certain things. Now here I was trying to decide, I got these little hearts at the Dollar Tree. They're basically like party picks, and I was going to take the heart off and put it in the center. I ended up not doing that because the pinks were too off, I thought. So would you have done it with the heart on it or the heart off of it? I ended up doing it without the heart. So now what we're gonna do is so then I also got these paper flowers, sorry, at the Dollar Tree. In the Valentine's section, believe it or not, they're gone already. And so I was really, really trying to determine if I wanted to put that on as well. So I show you the different colors, and would you have done the rose? Would you have done the heart? Or would you, I can't talk, I need more coffee. Or would you have left it the way that it was? As you can see, I think I end up leaving it the way it was. And now I'm going to use Loctite. I love this because it's like a super glue. It adheres right away. So like once I get it in place, I have like a second to move it a little bit, and then it's where it's at. And then I always add a little bit of hot glue, usually to get the instant stick. But this time I decided just to use the Loctite. And I do this upside down so that I can get it more centered. As you can see, it's sliding a little bit, but then it gets to the point where I can't move it anymore. And I probably should have taken the lid off. It would have made my life a whole lot easier, but you know, we all like to take the difficult road sometimes to learn. But I do think this turned out super cute, and I wanted to add some candy to it so I can display it on my station at work. And it just kind of, I don't know. What are your thoughts? What would you have done different? So I have some Hershey Kisses from the Dollar Tree. They came in red or pink. This was the last pink bag I could find. They also have the silver one, so you could put the pink and the silver in this one, which would go really well. I didn't have any silver ones on hand, so I put the pink ones in. And it didn't fill it quite all the way, but I just thought that this was super adorable, super cute piece to decorate with, and a great little Valentine's gift for somebody. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I am trying to get 1 or 2 videos out a week. I'm really trying to stay consistent. I appreciate all of you out there. Thank you for watching. And like I said in the beginning, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button to help it grow. Until next time, next video, enjoy some little treasures and have a wonderful day. God bless.